So hello students, today we will do construction of class 9 chapter 11.2. In this chapter we have to construct triangle on some given situation, and you will see from Tata classes that there are three types of construction for constructing a triangle, in which a base is given and an angle is given and sum of two or three sides आर गिवन. ठीक है, तो इस कंस्ट्रक्शन में हम लोग को देयर आर थ्री सिचुएशन. पहला कि बेस दिया हुआ रहेगा और एंगल दिया हुआ रहेगा और सम ऑफ टू साइड्स दिया हुआ रहेगा. दूसरा क्या कि एंगल दिया हुआ रहेगा, बेस दिया हुआ रहेगा और डिफरेंस ऑफ टू साइड्स दिया हुआ रहेगा. तो डिफरेंस ऑफ टू साइड्स में ठीक है देयर आर टू कंडीशन. सो वी विल फर्स्ट सी द वीडियो from Tata classes. Now I am going to present my screen. So be stay and look carefully.
Good morning, sir.
Before getting into construction, let's begin by reminding ourselves of the triangle inequality theorem, which states that construction of a triangle is only possible if the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Through this animation, we will look at constructing triangle XYZ, whose base YZ, base angle y degree,
Screen is visible or not?
sum of the other two sides, XY
No, sir.
and XZ, are given.
Okay.
Let us Through this animation, we will look at constructing triangle XYZ, whose base YZ, base angle y degrees, and sum of the other two sides XY and XZ are given. Let us begin by assuming we are asked to construct a triangle with base of 4 centimeters, base angle 60 degrees, and sum of other two sides 9 centimeters.
So here we see that first condition is that if sum of two sides are given, base is given and one angle of base is given. So let us see how it will construct.
Is it possible to construct such a triangle? Yes, since sum of the other two sides is greater than the measure of the base, it satisfies the triangle inequality theorem.
So here we see that if sum of two sides is greater than third side, then it will be possible to construct a triangle. Now moving ahead.
Let us start with the construction. Draw the given base YZ of length 4 centimeters. With Y as its vertex, draw angle MYZ, which measures 60 degrees. Now, on the ray YM, Mark a point N such that YN is equal to the sum of the other two sides, XY and XZ. In this case, 9 centimeters. Join points N and Z. Let us now draw angle NZO equal to angle YNZ. The ray ZO intersects the line NY at point X. Triangle XYZ is the required triangle.
Now we will see the next case when difference of two sides are given. Now we will see the case second when difference of two sides are given. So let us see.
Through this animation, we will learn to construct a triangle when its base angle, and the difference of its other two sides is given to us. There are two cases for constructing this triangle. One when the length of PQ is greater than the length of PR. And two, when the length of PQ is less than the length of PR.
So clearly we see that there are two cases possible when first side PQ is greater than PR, and second case when PR is greater than PQ. So let us see.
Let's start with case 1, where the length of PQ is greater than the length of PR. We are given base QR is equal to 6 centimeters. Base angle PQR is equal to 50 degrees. And difference of PQ and PR is 1.5 centimeters. First draw QR of length 6 centimeters. Draw angle XQR such that its measure is equal to the given base angle. In this case, 50 degrees. Let's mark a point M on the ray QX such that QM is equal to the difference between PQ and PR. In this case,
Here we cut QM equal to difference of the PQ and PR, which is given in question 1, that is 1.5 centimeter, and after that we join M to R. Let us see.
base 1.5 centimeters. Join points M and R. Construct the perpendicular bisector of line segment MR. Extend this line to intersect ray QX at point P. Now, join points P and R. We have just obtained the required triangle PQR. To show that PQR is indeed the required triangle, we must show NQ to be the difference of PQ and PR. PM is equal to PR since point P lies on the perpendicular bisector of MR. Let's call this equation 1. NQ can be written as difference of PQ and PM. Using equation 1, NQ can be written as the difference between PQ and PR.
So this is the justification. Now if PR is greater than PQ, then see what happened.
The triangle constructed for case 2 could be justified in the same manner as case 1. Point P lies on the perpendicular bisector of RY. So, PY is equal to PR. Let's call this equation 1. QY can be written as the difference of PY and PQ. PR can be substituted for PY using equation 1. We have shown that QY is indeed the difference between PR and PQ, and therefore, triangle PQR is the required triangle.
So Now you have seen the video. Now we are going to show it on the maths pad. For this, first we do it on rough page. So let us see. So this is given that first we have to draw a base. After that we draw an angle what is given. Cut the sum of two sides on this point, this line, and join this point to this point, and after that bisect it or draw a perpendicular bisector, and where the perpendicular bisector, draw this line. Suppose that this is BC, so this will give the point A, and join A to C. So required triangle is ABC. So in question number 1, we see that BC is 7 centimeter and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter and angle B is 75 degree. It is given on your NCERT book. See it. Now we are going to solve it from maths pad. Now I am going to show it through maths pad. So let us see. So first take base equal to 7 centimeter. Now construct an angle equal to 75 degree on it. For this take a compass and draw a 90 degree on it. Take an arc and cut on this arc. इक्वल आर्क को चेंज करना नहीं है. और इस दोनों से ऊपर हम लोग कर लेंगे. दोनों पॉइंट से आर्क ऊपर काट लेंगे. तो ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. सो दिस इज 90 डिग्री. आफ्टर दैट वी बाइसेक्ट द आर्क फ्रॉम 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. 60 डिग्री का पॉइंट और 90 डिग्री का पॉइंट से हम लोग फिर बाइसेक्ट कर लेंगे अगेन. Again this is done from point where it is 60 degree. Now join these 2 points. So this is angle 75 degree. After that, we have to take an arc equal to 13 centimeter and name it as BX. अब हम लोग 13 सेंटीमीटर का एक आर्क इसी पर कट कर लेंगे. So here screen is shorter. Suppose that this is 13 centimeter. And now join these 2 points. After that, bisect this XC. Take arc more than half of it, and from C and point X, draw a perpendicular bisector. And repeat this process from point X. And join these 2 points. So this point is A, and join A to C. Join A to C. So required triangle is ABC. Now we will see the second case. So for this we clear this space. Now question number 2 is given that base is QR equal to 8 centimeter. So draw a line equal to 8 centimeter. And construct an angle of 45 degree on QR. This is 8 centimeter on Q. Construct an angle equal to 45 degree. For this, we have to draw a right angle triangle. Without changing this arc, cut an arc on it, make an angle equal to 120 degree, again cut an arc, and from this point cut on upper side, so this gives 90 degree angle. Here it is 90 degree, and bisect 0 degree and 90 degree. For this, we take an arc, half of this arc, which makes 90 degree, and after that draw bisector of 90 degree angle from 0 degree and 90 degree. So this is 45 degree. Now join these 2 points. This gives angle equal to 45 degree, and join this line 2 point. After that, take an arc equal to difference of the two sides. So this is 3.5 centimeter. Take an arc equal to 3.5 centimeter. And cut from Q. So this is 3.5 centimeter, and name it X, and join X to R. Join X to R. After that, bisect this XR. With the same process, take an arc more than half of the length of this line segment, and cut an arc upper side and lower side. Similarly, from R, and join these 2 points. Which is perpendicular bisector of XR. So name this point as P, and join P to R, and join P to R. So required triangle is PQR, and difference of PQ and PR, if you measure it, then you will find it is 3.5 centimeter. So this is the construction work for question number 1 and 2 of NCERT book. Now question number 3 is that construct a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 centimeter, Q equal to 60 degree, and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. It is given in your NCERT book. So for this, first we draw a baseline 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now construct an angle 60 degree. So it is use compass. Now without changing, cut an arc to this arc and this gives 60 degree. So join these two lines. This gives angle 60 degree. और इस लाइन को नीचे तक खींच लेंगे क्योंकि डिफरेंस में हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि सेकेंड लाइन इज ग्रेटर देन थर्ड लाइन. पी आर इज ग्रेटर देन पी क्यू. Clearly it is you can see in this question PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. So इस लाइन को हम लोग नीचे की ओर खींच लेंगे and this is angle 60 degree it is given. Now take difference 2 centimeter. To take an arc 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter and cut an 2 centimeter from the given line. Suppose that this is Q, this point is Q and this point is R, and you have to cut 2 centimeter downward and join this line, this point to R. Do it again. This is 2 centimeter. Suppose that this point is S. Join S to R. And bisect, draw a perpendicular bisector of SR. We know that how can we bisect a line. From R and S, take length half of this SR and draw on upside and downside. Suppose that same thing from downside, and same work we will do on from point S. And downward also and join these 2 points with the help of ruler. So we will get a point P. suppose that this point will be P and join P to R. So required triangle is PQR, and if you measure it, then you can clearly see that PR and difference of PR and PQ is 2 centimeter. So justification has been shown in Tata classes. So students, we will do the construction 1, 2, 3. We have done construction 1, 2, 3 of NCERT exercise 11.2 with the help of Tata classes and MathsPad. So I hope you will understand. You have understand, and in next class we will see question number 4 and 5. So thanks for watching, thanks for cooperating. Students, you may left now.